Yes, indeed, YouTube. It is your guy, 74 Midwest Base. And as you can see, we are in the freight shaker. With the meter on the dash. So like I said, for anybody that's just getting tuned in, this is the freight shaker. Our new build, which is about to be rebuilt. Just got a temporary setup in here right now to get us by. Single 10 on the 1500 watt amp. Yes, indeed. So, like I said, this is our first testing, so everything is sealed up on both sides. We'll run through the frequency suite, find our peak, and then, you know how we do. For those who've been around, y'all know what it is. For everybody else, check it out. Get our volume. Let's start about 25. That should be good. Start our frequency suite. Reset. Watch the meter. That's at 48 hertz. We'll try with the window down, see if that helps. Go to 48 hertz. Window down, see if we get any increases. Okay, reset and see if that made a decrease. Roll our window up. Okay, so somewhere in there. Reset. Okay, so we'll go back and show y'all that again. Like I said, here's the window up. Reset, play. Alright, window down all the way. Reset, play. So that's the 125.4. Let's crack the whole door open. See if we get any gains. Alright. Reset just for kicks and giggles. Let's crack that window and see what that does. So we found that our best scores with that door sealed up, this window all the way down, pretty much what we thought, but just to verify, as you saw. Now we'll go down to 47 hertz. See if that gives us any gains. No gains. Go up to 49 hertz. Try it again. Okay, gave us about a dB gain. Let's go up to 50. Try it again. Okay, gains about a dB. Go up to 51. Just try 52 just for giggles. Okay, so it looks like 50 is our peak, and we'll give it a little more volume. See if we can get closer to the 30. All right, so that's our peak score for today. 127.2 on a single 10. You hear me? A 127.2 on a single 10 in a full semi. Double bunks and all. Like I say, I can raise that bunk, see if that does anything, but at the moment we're not gonna go through all that. Just giving a baseline for our SPL score in the freight shaker. Hold up. Yes, indeed. Just to verify so nobody says anything. This is. Grab my flashlight. A single 10. You can see that. A 10 and a plug on the other side. No speaker. One single SoundTown Aries 10. And it's not even warm. Yes, indeed, YouTube. It is your guy. We out of there, man.